Today I'll be showing you how to download and install MakeHuman into Blender. So for this tutorial, I'll be using the 1.1.1 MakeHuman stable release, and then I'll be using the MakeHuman 2.8. And before you watch this video, understand that this is the most up-to-date video upon this topic, you know what I mean? The most previous video was in May 2nd, 2017. So before I get started, only things that you need to do so far right now is you need to download. You should already have Blender downloaded. Just go to blender.org and it's going to have a free download for you to download. All right, so then after you do that, you can download the newer one. The most current stable one is 1.1.1, but I also pulled up how you can download the alpha of the upcoming 1.2.0 release. It has known issues such as these right here. I'm not gonna risk list them all, but you risk crashing if you use this. That's one of the most important ones that I have an issue with. I don't want my stuff to crash while I'm using it. I mean, I don't want it to crash while I'm doing it and then I lose all my stuff. But other than that, you can use it if you want to. I'm not going to tell you you shouldn't. It's up to you to just make the most best decision for you. I don't want to give a biased tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do after you download whichever MakeHuman thing, MakeHuman software you download, next what you would need to do is download the MHX2 plugin. So I'll pull that up right now. It's a Dropbox link. This is also via Google Dropbox, so you don't have to worry about getting a virus or nothing. Let me show you real quick. It's gonna have 3 files in there once you download. It's right here. You might have to create. I created an account for Dropbox. It's free. You know what I mean? It only takes 3 seconds. You just gotta confirm your email. But after you do that, you can download it via let me show you. You can download it via right there. It's gonna download, and once it downloads, it's gonna give you these 3 files right here. It's important to listen to everything that I say because you're not just gonna be dragging all 3 at once. You have to download and drag each one of these in separate locations. Now, like I said, I'm doing this tutorial based upon the 2017, but there's other changes that have been made to this because as you can see, the person that was doing this tutorial, they were using 2.78 and they were using 1.1.0, and we'll be using 2.8 and 1.1.1. Next, let me show you something real quick too before we get started. Like I said, use the most current one, but I also want to tell you before you do that, the most stable one is from 2014, so there will be some updated features in the 1.2.0. I'm just letting you know that it's not stable, you know what I mean? So just do whichever one you see fit. So next, what I want you to do, bro, is open 2 different tabs for applications. So in order, how you do that is you go down to Finder, you right click, and then you click new Finder window. This is for Mac, you know what I mean? The title is gonna say Mac, but you can do this for Windows. You just have to figure out how to do it specifically for that. I don't have a Windows computer. So once you open 2 windows, what I want you to do is find the MHX2 Exchange zip file, which is right here. Unfortunately, earlier I tried to download the manual Bastoni. And if y'all didn't know, I thought I didn't know what I was doing, bro. It's funny how anytime I get frustrated, I don't know what to do, bro. It's chances are it's because there's no way possible. So, as you can see, the last video that has an update for it, which is people that actually, you know what I mean? It says Manuel Bastoni has stopped development and will not be ported over to the new Blender 2.8 release. So basically, anybody in 2019 that's trying to download Manuel Bastoni, they won't be able to use it. If you already have it, you can. You know what I mean? You can try to download an older version of Blender, but it's just like it's like being in, I don't know, bro. It's just like I don't know. I wouldn't do it. I mean, I'll just figure out a different way. I'll try to get something else. You know what I mean? But if y'all want to see a video about that, I can try to do one. It'll just be more difficult. I have to download all the software. Y'all let me know in the comment section. So like I said, you go to the MHX2 file that you just downloaded. You double click on it. It's gonna be 3 files in here. The first 2 files that we're gonna be using is this one and this one. In order to move both of these files at the same time, this is what I want you to do. You hold command and then you click on each one of these. So let me show you me doing it right now. It's kind of difficult to do this with one hand. Damn, I thought I was holding it. Bruh. My fingers ain't long enough. Command. There we go. Alright, so you select both of these. Next thing that you want to do is go to the actual MakeHuman application. As you can see, Blender right there. I already got that. MakeHuman right here. Right click on it. Next thing I want you to do is click Show Package Contents. Go to Contents. Go to Resources. Go down to Plugins. And then just leave it right there. Also, I like to show you that I'm going based upon the previous tutorial, but like I said again, this is from May 2nd, 2017. As of today, it is August 2019. So this is important, just so you know. This is an older software. So there's things about this video that I'm gonna have to show you the most up-to-date version of doing it on this video. So give this video a like if you're new to the channel, subscribe, you know what I mean? I could screen record, but it won't be as easy for me to show you everything in a quick manner, you know what I mean? I can just switch back and forth and show you everything. So, like I said, she's finna, it's a girl doing this review. She did a good review. If you want to go watch it, you know what I mean? You can go watch it. Give her a like, though, you know what I mean? If you watch somebody review, you need to give it a like, bro. Nah, for real. People just be watching videos and don't even be liking them, bro. That'd be crazy, bro. Like my video if you watching it, you dig. So right now she's just doing everything that I already said. I'm trying to find the next spot. I'm finna just go ahead and do it and then just catch y'all up with everything. Basically, bro, cause I already did this process multiple times, bro. The issue is if you have Blender open before you do this, you have to close out Blender. You can't have Blender open and be dragging and dropping files. That's how I was messing up, bro. So what you do is you command, like I said. Then what you do is you drag and drop this into, bro, what the hell? Might be about there, everybody. Alright, drag and drop this into plugins. Just like this. Like I said, I did this before, but I want to show you again. For y'all, it's just going to drag and drop in there on its own. Alright, so next, after you do that, there's one more place that you need to drag and drop this last file right here. So this is what I need to show you. It's for Blender, right? Yeah. This is where things get a little difficult, cause she's using something older, so it's not the same. So let me just, I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna have to turn the audio off at a certain point.
Right click on that, show package content.
It's the same process before.
Open up contents, open.
So same process before. You go to, just start all the way over so I can make sure that y'all at the right spot. I mean, I don't want y'all to do the wrong thing. Y'all drag and drop this file to the wrong location, you're gonna be highly upset. So, like I said, show package contents, resources. I mean, hold up, whoa. my bad. Resources. I need something, bro. Hey, let me stick with her review, bro. I'm over here trying to do too much at one time, bro. I done forgot everything, bro.
Open up the 2.78. Open up.
Oh yeah, my B. This is when things get a little different. Alright, because Right here, contents, resources, 2.8. Then you go to scripts right here. My bad about that, y'all. I ain't know what the hell I was doing. Then you go to add-ons. And then after that, I don't know how I forgot, bro. You're going to be dropping it in here, but it's important every single time you do this, just drop it on the actual word, bro. You don't want to just be putting it in no random order, bro. But like I said, I'm going to show you just so y'all know I know what I'm talking about.
And then open up add-ons.
Told you.
So we're under add-ons right now, and then go back. There's one last file that was
this right here.
Downloaded.
You gonna drop that in there?
Drag that or copy and paste however that into the add-ons folder.
So as you can see, she went to resources under the 2.78, and then with the add-ons. For us, it's gonna be 2.8 because this is the newest one. Bring it a little bit back more so y'all can get everything.
On Blender, right click on that, show package contents, open up contents, open up resources.
Like I said, contents, resources. Let's keep this going.
Open up the 2.78.
2.8. It's important, bro. I don't want y'all to mess up on this.
Open up scripts.
Scripts, like I said, I knew this was the part, but I don't want to skip that because one of y'all probably opened up a Python and be in the jungle on some shit. I don't know why I said that, bro. That don't got nothing to do with that. Python don't got nothing to do with the jungle. I'm just talking, bro. Don't pay me no mind.
Open up add-ons.
And they said the jungle. Add-ons, bro. And just drag and drop this, bro. It's that easy, bro. Hold on, not that one. Not that one. If you ever do that, just bring it back. If you ever do that, bring it back. Make sure you drop it on add-ons. This one right here. Then you done. Now the next thing is when things get different. She's gonna be talking about how you supposed to go to file and then open this. I'm finna just go ahead and show you. Save y'all some time. Next thing that you're gonna have to do is open the actual application. Where is it? Blender? All right, there we go. You're gonna open Blender. Like I said, it's important that you got this application closed while you're doing all this. But open up Blender, and what she's gonna basically say next, bro, is that she wants you to go to File and then go to User Preferences. User Preferences isn't in File anymore in 2.8. In the 2.7 and under, it was in File. You're gonna have to go to Edit, then you're gonna have to go to Preferences, then you have to go to Add-ons, and then you have to search it a different way. But let me show you.
There's one last file that was left in the folder we downloaded, and go ahead and drag that or copy.
I already did that.
Now you can open up your actual Blender application. And
what game is that? In the comment section, let me know what game that is.
Now you can open up your actual and just make sure that this one is checked.
Hold on.
Under user preferences, under add-ons, and you can search.
And another reason why I'm showing y'all this, bro, because I know somebody that's gonna be like, you could have downloaded and installed the manual manual Baston, whatever, to Blender. You can't do it because the user preferences is changed, bro. Like, things have changed, bro, with the new update. You know what I mean? You can try to do that. you be doing that all day, bro. If you know how to do it, let me know in the comment section. Maybe one of y'all know a different way to do it, but that person and a lot of other people have said that there's no way to do it. I mean, so if you know something we don't know, just let us know, bro.
Under your Blender's add-on folder. Now you can open up your actual Blender application, and we are going to activate the plugin that you just installed.
You're gonna go to
User preferences.
She went to the top left at File. It's not at File. You gotta go to Edit. You gotta go down to Edit, and then you're gonna go down to, like I did earlier, you're gonna go down to Preferences at the very bottom, then click on Add-ons. Then you're gonna search it up. You're gonna search up.
And you can search for the plugin, type in
Now this is the one thing that makes me mad, that has disturbed me throughout this whole process, bro. I've done everything that was said, right? Y'all have done everything that was said. Have you been able to see MHX in your add-ons? Chances are you haven't, right? Type in MakeHuman. Can't find it, right? Scroll through these and see if you can find it. Like I said, there's no way to find it via file. So you gotta go to edit, go to preferences, and go to add-ons. This is where it's supposed to be, bro. Just scrolling through it just to show y'all, bro. You don't see it, I don't see it, right? Somebody said I see it, but I know you don't see it. Wanna know how? Cause if you type it in, it don't pop up. So this is the next issue, bro. Somehow, for some reason, the file isn't either copying over to the add-ons or it's just simply not working, bro. Today has been kind of stressful, bro. I would appreciate if y'all get this video a like, bro. I'm gonna be working on everything else to get this software up and running so we can do some animation videos. But I just want to let you know, I like dropping videos like this. This is important because if somebody out there that was gonna do exactly what she said, bro, did every step and it wasn't gonna work, and that person was gonna get frustrated. The reason why I know is because that person is me. I mean, I'm not the only person on earth, bro. Chances are when you feel like you do everything right and it doesn't work, you get frustrated. Just understand everything happens for a reason, bro. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, subscribe, all that. If you want to know what happens to fix this after this step, bro, just watch the next video. But it's gonna continue off of this step in the next video. This is part 1 of a multiple part series.